Guys, mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode. After that, you can now walk into the scene. All you need to do here is just to adjust yourself, all right? After adjusting yourself, the next thing is you can do anything. Look at what I've just done. Stay there for some few seconds, stay like that for some few minutes. Then after that, you can now walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Guys, welcome to your gallery. Welcome back to our channel. At this point, click on CapCut. New project now. Import this your video to workspace. Look at that volume sign there like we normally do. Click it to silence the volume of the video. Locate where you want this video to start from, all right? Before you throw your leg, all right? Come here, click on the video, make a split. Delete this first part. You locate where you want the video to end. Before you do a thumbs up, click on the video, make a split, delete the last part. Then you want to click this video now. You are going to be expounding it. That is, if you like, this place is choice, but come down and do your necessary adjustments, all the adjustments you want here. After doing your necessary adjustment now, you click anywhere. Look at that effect there. You are going to be clicking on this effect. So click on this effect now, all right? You click on body effect. Go and locate dark. Locate dark. Look for dark. Click on dark now. Look at this grafted ghost. You are going to be clicking on grafted ghost. This is what we have. Mark on this good now. You are going to be going back. Click it and drag it a bit. Then you come back. We are going to be screenshotting this place. So you make a screenshot. Screenshot here now. All right. Then you click it. Then you crumple it. Resize it. Resize it. Come down and resize it. All right. After resizing it, you are going to be marking on this done. All right. Click on done now. Click on done, guys. Then save to photos. Then you click on this effect here and delete it. Click it and delete it. All right. Then you click on this arrow now. Look at that arrow. Mark on that arrow. Click on overlay. Add overlay. Click on photos, guys. Import the photo you just work on. Make it fit the screen. All right. Then you click it and drag it to cover the whole video. Then you are going to come back here now. Before we continue, before we proceed, guys, tell us your opinion about this video you have just watched now. If you have any magic effects, CapCut tricks you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. If you love our video, you love what we are doing, smash your like button. Okay, you're just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, welcome back to this tutorial, guys. So at this point now, what we are going to be doing is to click on this effect now. Then you go and locate mask. Look for mask, guys. Locate mask where it is. Look at mask here. Click on mask now. Locate horizontal. Click on horizontal. Turn this line the other way around. Turn this line. So turn it. You make it straight. Make sure it's straight. After making it straight, you are going to be dragging it down. Drag it down. After dragging it down, you click on keyframe. Look at keyframe there. Add keyframe to it. All right, then you drag the video to the end. You can decide to adjust this effect. Then you come somewhere here now. Then you drag the line up. All right, drag the line up completely. You mark on this good now. Then you go back. Let us play this video and see what we have got. But guys, at this point, this video is ready. Just the only thing is for you to remember to add your sound effect and every other effect. Then after that, you can now export this video to your gallery. If you don't know how to do that, locate my number at the description of this video and DM me. I'll put you through on how to add all your effects. Then after that, you click on export now. Then you export this video to your gallery. Look at this video he has installed it in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. But then guys, tell us your opinion about this video. You have any tricks or effects we should create together? Drop them at the comment section. You love our video, you love what we are doing, smash your like button. If you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more update. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. Okay, thanks for watching guys. See you in our next video. Stay safe.